Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the most unique and innovative ways you can make money online in 2024. We're talking about stuff you probably haven't even thought of, stuff that's going to blow your mind wide open. We're not just talking about the same old online jobs here. This is next level stuff, people. Whether you're a tech whiz, an artist, a people person, or just someone who wants to escape the 9-to-5 grind, there's something on this list for you. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to learn how to make some serious cash online. All right, guys, the first mind-blowing way to make money online is with virtual real estate. I'm talking about buying and selling land in the metaverse. People are already dropping millions of dollars on virtual property. Virtual concerts, stores, art galleries. The possibilities are endless. Someone's got to own that virtual land. Think of it like the early days of the internet. Now it's a multi-billion-dollar industry. The metaverse is the next frontier. Get in early and make a fortune. Do your research, find a platform you trust, and start investing in the future. Next up, we're talking about NFTs, baby. But not just any NFTs. We're talking about creating and selling your own NFT art. Now, some of you might be thinking, but I'm not an artist, and you know what? That's okay. NFTs aren't just about traditional art forms. We're talking digital art, music, videos, memes, anything you can think of can be an NFT. You could create a series of hilarious memes, turn them into NFTs, and sell them to the highest bidder. Or maybe you're a musician who's been grinding it out for years. NFTs give you a way to connect directly with your fans and sell them unique, one-of-a-kind digital collectibles. And the best part? You get to keep a portion of every sale, even if your NFT is resold in the future. That's right, passive income, baby. So if you've got a creative spark, don't let it go to waste. Jump on the NFT train and see your art turn into cold, hard cash. Chapter 3. Sharing is caring and profitable online course creation. Let's talk about making money online by sharing your knowledge and skills. Create and sell online courses. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? It could be cooking, coding, photography, or personal finance. People are willing to pay to learn from you. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it easy. Film yourself teaching, create workbooks, and offer one-on-one coaching. Once created, your course generates passive income. Start sharing your knowledge with the world. People will pay for valuable information. Chapter 4. Work from home, help from home, remote customer service. Listen up, everyone wants to work from home in their pajamas, right? Well, good news. Remote customer service jobs are exploding right now, and it's a fantastic way to make money online. Companies are realizing they don't need to have everyone in a stuffy office anymore. They're looking for friendly, tech-savvy people to handle customer inquiries from the comfort of their own homes. Think about it. You could be answering emails, troubleshooting tech issues, or even providing live chat support, all while lounging on your couch in your PJs. And the best part? A lot of these companies offer flexible hours so you can work around your schedule, whether you're a night owl or an early bird. So if you're a people person who loves helping others and you value the freedom and flexibility of working from home, then a remote customer service job might be your golden ticket. Chapter 5. Become a social media mastermind and get paid for it. All right, for the final mind-blowing way to make money online, let's talk about social media. Now, I know what you're thinking. Everyone and their grandma is on social media. How can I make money from that? But here's the thing. Businesses are desperate for help managing their social media. They need someone to create engaging content, run ads, and interact with their followers. That's where you come in. If you're a natural at social media, you're already ahead of the game. You understand how to create content that grabs attention, and you know how to build a following. Now it's time to monetize those skills. You can start by reaching out to local businesses in your area or offering your services on freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. So ditch the scrolling for fun and start scrolling for profit. Become a social media mastermind and watch the money roll in. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which method you're excited to try. We've covered some seriously awesome ways to make money online in 2024, from virtual real estate to NFT art creation to online courses to remote customer service to social media management. The possibilities are endless. Remember, the internet is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay creative, and most importantly, take action. The future of making money is online and it's waiting for you. Now go out there and crush it.